I love Harry Potter, and I believe this is, you know, the Honeydukes one. And Honeydukes is like a sweet shop of Harry Potter. I'm gonna try to save some of the packaging so I can use it for my journal. So, I don't... Usually there's like pinholes, isn't there? I don't know. Like, I don't know. One second. Well, I know nothing about pinholes, so let's go right ahead and get on in this. Like I said, I'm trying to save the packaging if I can. So, scissors. And I'm filming in bed because I haven't been in the craft room in a very hot minute. So, this is what it looks like. I'm totally going to save that if I can. So, I already like the container. The container's cool. I'm just hoping I get something that I like. Like, I want, like, I've seen people, like, unbox this stuff. And it always makes me mad that I never get the ones I want. That's why I don't buy blind balls. Because, like, I never get the ones I want. And it makes me very sad. So, I'm hoping I get one that I want and not one I don't want. Like, I know what I want. I want ones with molds, especially, like, you know, the froggies or, you know, the jelly beans. I do not want that cotton candy thing. That cotton candy thing looks stupid. Like, I know that sounds mean. And you get what you get and you don't complain. Well, I can complain because I paid for it myself. So, I don't want the cotton candy. I don't want something stupid. I want something good. So, here's the... I feel like that's a mold. I'm hoping this is a mold. And, you didn't tell me I got the sugar. I don't want this. I don't want the sugar skull, but I think that's just the resin. That is cute packaging. Oh, I got the froggies! I got the froggies! Yay! I'm so happy. I got the froggies. Woohoo! I got the froggies. Na 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 na. I won't be able to put it together yet, but I'm so excited! I got the freaking froggies. Oh my god! I'm so excited! Yay! That's what I wanted. Cute packaging. Saving that little tray thing, and I can tell that I got the froggies because the little boxes. I'm so excited because then I can make more and more frogs. That's what I wanted. Now I need another one so I can get the jelly beans because I want the jelly beans too because I can make jelly beans for like Easter. But that's so freaking cute. I'm so excited. Well, I said I wanted another one, and technically the gummy snakes is the third ball that I got. And this is the one that I got at Walmart. And I did not film myself opening it, but my ex did see me open it on Messenger, and he said that I was a brat because of my reaction. And it's like, yeah, well, I didn't ask you for your opinion. But it's just, yeah, it's probably a little bratty, but you know, I paid for it and I really wanted what I wanted, and I can't get them in store because they're normal price, and online they're cheaper, and it's just like you know. But I did get a good mold. I like that it's a mold and I can make them in different colors, and I eventually will. But right now I'm just using the ones that they gave me, and this stuff is basically like eyeshadow. Do not put it on your eyes. But it's basically what it is. And, you know, I've got tons of that crappy eyeshadow roaming around in my shed that I could use to make all different color gummy snakes. And they actually look like gummy worms to American girls. And these are like the Mexico flag colors, green, red, and white. I think that's also Italian colors too. I don't know. Don't come for me. But I am just doing it as it says. And in the middle, it's supposed to be white. And how you get that is you just don't mix in the center. I am not the greatest at this. I don't like making a mess, and I always clean my molds after I use them. And how I make sure I get all that powder stuff and all that resin gunk out. I use hand sanitizer. Apparently, we're not supposed to use hand sanitizer to get the resin off of our hands. What? I've been doing that for years. Apparently, we're not supposed to. Apparently, we're supposed to use like oil and sugar or salt, and I'm just like, huh? But I may do with what I got, and I think I got it all off of my hands. I hope I did. But now I'm just adding in the red. I mean, like, they turned out really cute. They really do. It's not my least favorite mold, but it's not the favorite one that I got because it's not the one that I wanted. I mean, like, if I would have got the other two that I wanted, I would have been like, oh, I want this mold, So I'm being grateful for what I got. And I'm just mixing it. When I first made this is not the first time I made this one, but when I first made it, I did like the resin separately with the powder, and then I just used my silicone tool to put it into the thing. Yeah, that took too long. I just did it like this, and it came out pretty much the same. Pretty much. And then I don't show how I cure it, but I just use my little flashlight, and I cure it on this side, and then I flip it over and I cure it again. So that's it. Hey you guys, I got my 2 Harry Potter bowls. I'm so scared, but I'm telling myself that they were free because I used my Walmart cash back. So I'm really hoping and praying for the jelly beans, and I don't know if I can even show you the chocolate skeletons. I want the chocolate skeletons and the jelly beans. Those are the 2 that I mostly want, okay? And if they're not, I'm gonna cry. Those are the ones that I want. I do not want any more sugar skulls. I don't want the stupid cotton candy. I don't really need any more chocolate frogs or the gummy snakes because I already got those, okay? I don't have the cotton candy, and I don't want it. I don't want anything stupid. The ones that I want are the ones with the molds. So please make it Miniverse, Harry Potter, Honeydukes. Please give me what I want. Please. So I'm gonna open them and I'll show you. I'm scared. Okay guys, I got the first one opened. I don't know if that's a mold. It might be. I don't know. I'm scared. I'm so scared. I did get a mold, so I got one that I don't have, so that's great. That's awesome that I got one that I don't have. That's cool that it comes with 3 micro powders, which basically is just like eyeshadow without it being eyeshadow, but that's great that I got one that I don't have. I'm not mad. It just means I need more. Let me open up the last one. I'm scared. Please be the jelly beans. Please be the jelly beans or the chocolate skeletons. Please, 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 please. Okay. So I don't think it's a duplicate. This is the other one. Even though they look exactly the same. Oh my god. It's not. I can already tell by this that it's not the jelly beans or the chocolate skeletons. The ones that I really, really want. But they are the jelly slugs that I don't have. So, I mean, I won, but I didn't win. And when I say that I won, meaning I did win. I did. I haven't got a double, so that's great. But I want the jelly beans, damn it, and I want the damn chocolate skeleton. And I mean, like, I know there's cheat codes, but I'm doing it on grocery pickup so I can get the deal, because they won't let you do it in store unless you order online. I am really hoping that you are enjoying my reactions to reopening these balls, because this is my literal reaction. Because I really don't like getting the ones that I don't want. I mean, I know it makes me sound like a child. That's another thing that he called me. He said I sound like a child. Well, you know what? Bite me. It's just, I want what I want, and I can't always get what you want. I know that. But it's just, it's not. I'm just gonna be grateful for what I got, okay? But it's just, I really want those jelly beans, and I really want those chocolate skeletons. And I may have to go buy more. And if Mimel is babysitting tomorrow and she's over close by Walmart, I might just do another pickup. So fingers and toes and everything crossed that I get what I want. Because this is getting very costly. I mean, like, everything has been like $6.08. That's a lot of money. It might not be to you, but to me it is.
Oh, let's go ahead and see. I'm nervous. I hope it's not something stupid. Oh, it's not the one that I wanted. I can tell. It's not the one I wanted. If it comes with a mold, that'd be great. But I have a feeling it's not the one that I wanted. Okay, I'm gonna leave.
Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.